Hey everybody, it's Brent, Central Arkansas. We're going to do another grow. As you can see here, this is C for cabbage, red acre cabbage. I've got the grow top sitting inside the cover just to catch the water. I'm going to do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to pre-soak the cabbage seeds for a short period of time, maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then put it on the tray, and I think that will reduce the germination by a little bit. Plus I thought it was cool and I did it with beaten chard. So I've got a container of liquid here that's lightly warm, and I'm going to fill it until the screen starts to barely float. Let me see what we got here. That should work. Now I'm going to take the cabbage. It comes in the kits already done, and I'm going to just put it on here completely just like that. And then I'm going to take and separate the seed till it's floating, and when it sits floating I should be able to get it to separate. I think it needs a little more water. Okay, the absorption of water this way will be really easy to spread the seed here, and it'll be easy to remove by just doing it like so. So I'm going to play with it just a little bit and kind of float the seed, if you will, around into the areas that I want, and then I'm just going to let it sit. It's pretty much spread now. There's the cabbage seed, and we're going to hit it with antifungal. And I'll bring you back when they start sprouting. 24 hours later. A lot of nice germination. It's lifting here. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's looking nice. We're still going to keep this on here. I'm going to turn it over the other way. Just like that. Until it lifts up again. And then we'll expose it to the light. Let's take a look at the cabbage. It's not lifting, but red acre cabbage, it's pretty color, isn't it? Red acre cabbage isn't nearly as aggressive as the other brassicas I've grown. So this is essentially at the top, even though it didn't lift it. So I'm going to take the cover off and the cover tray, and we're going to grow it. We're going to see what happens when we put the light to it. Harvest day. Gina is going to make a stock out of this cabbage heavy. Alright, let's harvest this cabbage. Looking forward to it. I'm going to speed you up. Alright, that's everything. complete harvest right here. Let's get a look at it and then get a weight on it. It's got some nice color to it, even though it's in the house and not in broad sunlight. You can see the beautiful color on it. The reds are quite nice. I really love red acre cabbage. It doesn't grow as heartily or as aggressively as some of your greens, but and you get more weight with the greens, but the red is just, the color is so worth it. All right, for the weight, we're in ounces. I'm going to put the cup to raise it like I always do. And I'm going to put a tray on here that's the exact tray that the microgreens are in, so I can reduce the weight. Make sure you can see the scale here. Now I'm going to tear it out, which means zero it out. That way when I take this off and put this one on, all you're getting is the microgreens. The weight of the microgreens themselves. That is dead on 9 ounces. 9 ounces. I want you to keep in mind that this is a 10 by 10. Normally, the way I used to grow, I would grow in a 10 by 20. So if you want to know what the equivalent is, all you have to do is double it. So this would normally be an 18 ounce grow. So it's a 9 ounce grow, which is actually kind of equivalent or even more than what you might see in some others that grow in a 10-20. So this is a significant amount of product. Gorgeous, gorgeous red cabbage. This is Brent, guys. We'll see you later.